Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video we are talking about rainbow pets, how to get them and how to gather a lot of these rainbow tokens. So first off, you are getting rainbow tokens only by playing in this new rainbow pet part. I will show you how to get here, but first of all let me show you how to get your upgrades. So if you go to your upgrade menu, you will find the new upgrade in the luckier part. Over here you have rainbow pets to unlock, and when you unlock that you will be able to unlock these rainbow tokens. That's the first that you want to unlock. If you want to gather some rainbow tokens, you will get one of those for free from this forever pack, and the rest you will collect by breaking this piñata in this new area. So you can see over here is where the new area is located, and you can see here if you use 10 of the same kind of pets plus one rainbow token, you will get a rainbow pet like that. And actually they did say something about cats, and if you read here they say please make the icon of this upgrade a rainbow cat. What does that mean? I don't know. But anyway, you can unlock all of this because you will also need huge rainbow tokens and titanic rainbow tokens if you want to upgrade your huge pets. As you can see, I have Boros, these same guys, and I need one more to get 100% rainbow huge happy rock, but I can actually use something else. And like this, I have 80% to get a huge happy rock rainbow, or 20% to get huge rainbow elephant. They are both very rare, and if I get this huge happy rock, I will actually be able to sell it for 62 million, which is a lot more than this when they are separated, just 4 million, and this is also 4. So this is how it works. I still don't have a huge rainbow token, so I cannot even do this. You need a huge rainbow token to make these pets rainbow, so I will need to grind for that. But you see, this is how you do it. Those are the least rare, and as you scroll down you will find the rarest pets over here. I already made some cats and others into rainbow, and you can check their price like this. This one, nobody sold this one. Only 1000 exist right now. Okay, this one is actually very expensive. I already made one of those. That's the pet from the factory update. This one is also expensive. Rose cat, rainbow rose cat is almost 1 million. This one will probably be very expensive since they are very rare, but this one is the most expensive. It's almost 2 million to sell one. They're pretty rare, so if you have these pets from some of the limited events, you can definitely sell those for better money. And also things that changed, you can see all the huge pets now give you different amount of charms, so it's starting to be important which huge pet are you getting equipped at the moment. Huge hacker cat is 63 and the others are 31%. Prison cat should be a little bit more of a valuable pet, but there you go. And that's all. You can see last night I got 8 of these, so it's not so hard to get them, but you will get them from breaking breakables and breaking the piñata in this part. And that's all that you need to know about this update, guys. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. Leave a like if this video helped you, and I will see you in the next one.